All these components are transported to Toulouse, where the final assembly line of the Airbus A380 is.
Bring it down 20 millimeters. Copy that, 20 millimeter down. Hold it right there, a little to the left. Okay, lowering slowly. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Even contained, the garfish remains a potent threat, its unpredictable movements endangering the team.
A little higher, clear the guides. Right there. Is that level, worker 5? Looks good, secure it.
Ready to lift. Steady now. Make sure it clears the frame. We're good. Keep it coming up.
Does that match the schematic?
Yeah, right here at the 24 mark.
We need more of the beige tape over here.
Landing gear is produced at dedicated plants, such as those of Safran, headquartered in Paris.
Advanced manufacturing demands absolute precision. Our technicians utilize state-of-the-art CNC technology to mill.
Ensure the alignment is precise before you secure the housing.
Got it. I'll double check the torque settings on the next one.
To create uniform, continuous sheets of the many plies that make up a tire, the splicing process is used.
Laser guidance ensures the initial layers are perfectly aligned before our skilled technicians begin the meticulous application by hand.
With the green tire in place, it is compressed from all sides in a process called vulcanization to splice layers together.
A worker ensures the sides of the running surface of the tire are neatly turned in to prevent wrinkling.
The assembly of a modern turbofan engine requires absolute precision, a synergy of human expertise and advanced machinery.
Utilizing the latest in advanced manufacturing techniques, these massive fan blades are meticulously aligned, a testament to modern engineering.
Check the wiring harness right here. Looks secure, but let's double check the connection point on level 3.
Lower it another 2 meters. Copy that, watching the clearance on the right side. Looks good, keep going slowly.
Keep it steady on the left side.
Copy that, watching the clearance now.
Transporter 3, maintain current speed. Clear right side.
From the initial coats of paint to the application of the protective film, our team ensures every detail meets the rigorous standards of modern aviation.
The A380 represents the pinnacle of modern aviation, connecting our world like never before.
All units, hold the current position. We have clearance to proceed through the main gates.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Clear on my end.
Bring it down 5 centimeters.
Line 5. The intricate process of assembling the wing required incredible precision. Once the massive panels are hoisted by the cranes,
For the descent, check the alignment on the starboard side. Copy that, holding steady.
Lower it slowly, watch the starboard side.
Easy now, clear on the left.
These wings are enormous, and they need to be carefully positioned before they can be married to the fuselage.
Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters on the starboard side. Hold it there.
Copy that, holding steady.
Bring it down 20 centimeters. Watch the alignment on the left side.
Copy that, moving slowly now. Clear below. Okay, easy now. Bring it down slowly.
Confirmed. Watching the indicators.
We have alignment on sector 4.
Easy on the descent. Watch the guiding pins on the left.
Clear on the left, coming down steady.
Bring it down 20 millimeters.
Copy that, 20 millimeters down. Watch the starboard side clearance.
Power coming up, steady tow. Clear on the port side 20 meters to the hold line.
Acknowledged. Continue approach to the engine bay.
Hangar control, we are aligned. Proceeding with the lift.
Roger, pressure is stable. Watch the starboard pylon clearance.
Looking good here. Keep it slow.
After engine installation, the completed aircraft is ready to be tested so as to ensure it is safe.
Control to platform. Verify torque settings on section 4.
Over.
Hangar team, verify torque settings on the starboard wing connection immediately. We have an anomaly on the schematic.
Before this aircraft takes flight, every component undergoes rigorous analysis, monitored by our expert team in the control room.
The painting process is meticulous, requiring precision at every stage to ensure a flawless finish across the massive fuselage.
Tug engaging, all clear on the starboard side.
Clear on port, keep it slow.